Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal, also known as Chantal's Pretty Little DIYs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy onion slaw. This dish is nationally known as pikliz in my culture. Now this is a very popular dish in our culture. It's very tasty, very flavorful, yet very spicy. And we use it to garnish our fried meats, fried plantain, and in this tutorial I'm going to be using fried breadfruit. The main ingredient of this dish is the pepper. It is very hot. It is called scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to be using 3 of the scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using 2 onions, and I'm going to use 2 lime and some apple cider vinegar, which is about 2 tablespoons. I will also add some chicken bouillon for flavoring, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to follow along. And keep in mind that this is a very hot dish, so if you cannot handle the heat, please stay out the kitchen. So I'm starting off by cutting the onions into strips, and I'm going to cut the scotch bonnet peppers into strips as well. It should look like this when you're done. By the way, you can wear gloves if you decide to while cutting the scotch bonnet pepper, but in my culture we do this all the time, so I am used to it. This is what it should look like when you're done cutting the scotch bonnet pepper, and now I'm going to place it in a blender. To the blender, I'm also adding some lime juice, chicken bouillon, and some vinegar. About 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And you want to use a pulsating method to break down the mixture. Once you're all done, you're going to add your onion into a bowl, and you're just going to add the mixture over it. And stir it to make sure every piece of the onions are covered. FYI, you want to leave this mixture for a couple of days before eating it, because you want the onion to infuse the liquid. And this is what it should look like after a couple of days of infusing in the fridge. I was craving some breadfruit and I've decided I'm going to have it with breadfruit. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you could see how I prepared the breadfruit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your presence. If this is your type of content and you'd like to see future content of mine, please like, share, and subscribe for more. I really appreciate your presence, and until next time, take care.